How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a cool 70 Duster. Car's done up, Hemi Orange, your black accents. This car's straight as an arrow down the sides. All its original body panels. Beautiful, slick paint. Now, when they built this car, they built it as a 383. Now, they never built the 383 Duster, but when the gentleman built this car from frame up, rotisserie job, he wanted a 383. And no way to make it any cooler than to put a big motor in this little car. He had all the emblems done in 383. Got that stripe on the side, looks so cool. It's got disc brakes up front. Torque thrust wheels on it. That's also got front and rear sway bars added to it. It's got an 8 3/4 rear end with a 355 shirt grip posi. Aluminum radiator in it. It's got Demon carb on it. TTI stainless headers. It's got 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back, all mandrel bent, Flowmaster exhaust. You can see how clean this car is. It's just rust-free, clean car. Stock dash all in it. Got your bucket seats, console. Again, all the chrome on the car, bumpers are really nice. Look like they've all been redone. You don't see many of these Dusters with the bucket seats in them in the console. You got a trio of gauges under the dash. Just a cool car, especially in the Hemi Orange. Again, it's got a 383 in, it's got a 727 torque flight trans. And you can just hear this thing off the pipe. Sounds tough. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.